When you get the cover off, you want to come look at this thing here. This is some kind of a thermostat. I don't know what it does. It allows the power to flow into the circuit board that runs the whole unit. I found with this particular one, this little black thing right here, I pushed it down. It won't do it now, but when I pushed it down earlier, there was a click sound. And then when I plugged in the unit, it fired right up. Before that, the unit wouldn't work. It had no power. So this is the little thing here that you can check. You just press this thing down, and if it clicks, then that's probably your problem. And this unit, when you would plug it in, it was completely dead. It had no power. And that's why, because this thing, for whatever reason, wasn't working. This thing to me acts like a fuse, and I had to reset it. And then that allowed the power to flow into the machine. Then when you're done with that, if that's your problem, then you can put everything back together.